see that?
Thank you, Ito.
Gotta catch my breath. That was like my first curb. All right, so we're going camping. It's been nothing but this kind of road for like, I don't know, 5 miles, I'd say. But we're gonna go camp by some really cool waterfall, and we have to hike a lot. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Let's hope it goes well. All right, we're parking right here. We're in the middle of the woods. I don't think this trail is for trucks. I really don't. Walk up a little bit, I think. Let's just see what's up there. This is a disaster. We're in the middle of nowhere. I don't know where the hell we are. Okay, that's a terrible idea to split up. Dude, that's an awful idea. Come here, everybody, just come here. We need to head back. I'm telling you guys right now, we need to head back. It's gonna be dark soon. We need to head back. We're just probably on someone's property right now. So we made it to the campsite. We parked the truck, and we're about to head there. This is some creepy footage, bro. I feel like we're gonna die, and they're gonna find this camera, and they're just gonna see this. All right, so we went to the campsite, and we were carrying all the stuff in the pitch black. Couldn't see anything. We were tripping over roots. So for the night, we're gonna sleep in this Walmart parking lot. Right now, Seth and I are gonna go to this gas station and get fueled up real quick. Camping. We're sleeping in the truck. Show the truck. Show what we're working with. Show the truck. See you guys in the morning. Oh, that feels so good. That feels amazing. You know, what? Look at this. I'm standing behind a waterfall. We're at the top of the waterfall.